There are millions of creators on YouTube, which means that YouTube must be doing something right. Interestingly, content creators get paid based on the number of views their content gets. They can also upload different types of content without getting censored, while users get suggested content based on what they already viewed. While all YouTube's work are great, there are some few problems though, which includes scamming comments, copyright strikes and censorship of some certain topics. I am a big fan of decentralization, and just like every other things, decentralizing content distribution is a problem worth looking into. Today we would be discussing a project that is currently solving this problem using blockchain technology. I have been aware of this for a while, but I had to use it myself for some time before discussing it here on the community. So take a moment to check out our Odysee channel, link in the details below. Follow the channel, share and like our contents on Odysee. Thank you. Guys, Odysee is a video sharing platform that runs on the LBRY decentralized blockchain, which allows creators to earn tokens without being censored or controlled by a central authority. But before I get into the details of the project, kindly hit the like button to help get this video to as many people as possible. And if you are interested in tech, blockchain and Web3, hit the subscribe button for more similar content. Moreover, in order for us to fully understand what Odysee is all about, we have to first cove more information on LBRY. What is LBRY? If you've ever tried drop shipping before, you know that Shopify is a website that allows you to create your own e-commerce website. Therefore, LBRY is like Shopify, and different people can use the web platform to set up their e-commerce website. In this case, Odysee uses LBRY to create a platform very similar to YouTube. Let me use another common example, in case you still don't understand it. Most mobile phones uses Android OS, which means different phone makers can leverage on Android OS for their phone. Now, LBRY is like the Android OS, and Odysee is like a mobile phone maker. So in this case, Odysee uses the LBRY blockchain to create a platform like YouTube. To explain further, LBRY is a blockchain that specifically was created to share almost any file types using technology that is similar to how BitTorrent works. The content is uploaded to the network and then nodes around the world help share the content and keeps it online. Since blockchain is decentralized, if you upload something to the network, nobody can take it down. What's really happening is that the data is being sent to cloud servers and the only information on the actual LBRY blockchain is metadata of where to find the file. Now that we understand what LBRY is, let's look into how LBRY works. Let's use an example to explain how this works so that you can understand it easily. John has created a documentary on the evolution of money and wants to publish it on blockchain. The content has been encrypted and sliced into many pieces. These pieces are then stored by different computer on the LBRY network. John created a special URL for the documentary, something like this. This URL points to his uploaded content. It's similar to Coinly website URL, which also point to our IP address where our web server is hosted. While John is setting up his content for publishing, he would also set up his metadata like description and thumbnail of the content. While on the other end, Henry is a user who is interested in watching the content created by John. Henry then issue a payment to John for the decryption key, allowing him to watch the documentary. Henry LBRY client collects the pieces from the hosts and assembles them for Henry to start streaming the documentary all within a few seconds after paying for it. Interestingly, there are many types of content on the LBRY blockchain, some are cheap, some are expensive while others are free. That is because the content creator has the opportunity to charge whatever they want for the content. Just like you are allowed to set the prices for your products on Shopify, that's exactly what LBRY has done. Furthermore, it is important to remember that LBRY is the protocol and blockchain, while Odysee is one of a few different platforms that are built on top of that protocol. Now that we have good clarity on LBRY, let's delve into Odysee. Odysee is a centralized platform that aggregates and moderates the content on the LBRY blockchain in a similar way to YouTube. Let's look into some things that differentiate Odysee from YouTube. 1. It has a unique algorithm. Odysee has its own suggestion algorithm, which is not really as advanced yet as the YouTube suggestion algorithm, but I'm sure as time passes and they get more data, it will improve. Right now they do have a search engine where you can search for videos and channels. There is something I am not sure I am okay with though, which is the benefit given to the creators who hold and stake their library token on the platform. I think there should be other benefits given to such creators. While ranking videos should be based on creators' dedication to creating contents on the platform, this will give a level playing field to all content creators. 2. Content moderation. I am all for decentralization and censorship resistance built on the LBRY blockchain. However, Odysee ensures you don't see any not safe for work content while you're browsing at work. Furthermore, unlike YouTube, Odysee is more lax about removing content. They won't remove your video unless it's terroristic in nature, inciting violence, abuse, or literal torture, and I am certain no one can complain about that. 3. Monetization. As of today, each view on a video will earn the creator a certain amount of library tokens, while the person watching will also get tokens for watching. Interestingly, they are also introducing an ads program very similar to YouTube's partner program, so that creators will earn even more. Also, they suggest tipping your favorite creators with library tokens yourself to reward good content. Daily viewers can also earn library tokens for doing certain things like watching a daily video or interacting with the site in other ways. However, in most cases, when users are actually paid for doing a particular task, one of the things that comes to mind is where is the money coming from? Now, let's check out their tokenomics to understand that better. Library tokens or library credits are the main coin used on the LBRY blockchain. With a total supply of 1.08 billion, while 10% goes to organizations and charities. 20% goes for adoption programs, but this is basically advertising. 10% goes to the LBRY Inc. company, which is in charge of running the blockchain. And the last 60% is earned by LBRY miners who support the network. Library credits are also the main token of the network, so to send your credits to someone else or to buy content, you must buy library credits. This means that as the demand for the blockchain grows, so should the token price. Furthermore, LBRY currently has $6.7 million market cap. Let's wrap this up. Odysee is doing a fantastic project which can actually change the way we distribute contents online. While they are challenging a big player in the industry like YouTube, this project also has its own issues. One of the problem is their analytics that doesn't show much data to help creators understand how each content is performing. Their mobile app also has some work to be done to ensure it's better serves their users. But with time, just like every other products, they would get it right. It is also important to highlight that they have a lawsuit with SEC, something similar to Ripple, but I am not sure that is a big problem, as they would end up settling that issue with a fine. Guys, kindly check out our Odysee channel, the link would be provided in the details under this video. Follow the channel, like our videos, and share our content, and let's grow that community together. Please note that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose only. Let us know what you think about Odysee and LBRY in the comments section, and don't hesitate to tell us what you would like us to discuss on this channel. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to help us grow this community. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to turn on your notification so you can get notified each time we post a video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.